Welcome to our video on frequently asked questions about hydraulic hoses. Whether you're new to hydraulic systems or looking to deepen your knowledge, this video will help answer some of the most common questions users have about hydraulic hoses, their uses, maintenance, safety tips, and more. Let's get started. 1. What type of fluid runs through hydraulic hoses? Hydraulic hoses typically carry hydraulic oil, but can also convey water, fuel, synthetic fluids, and lubricants depending on the system requirements and hose material. 2. How long do hydraulic hoses last? With proper use and regular maintenance, hydraulic hoses can last from 1 to 5 years. However, harsh environments or incorrect installation can reduce their lifespan. 3. Can I repair a hydraulic hose myself? Temporary fixes like hose tape or clamps might work briefly, but for safety and reliability, professional replacement is recommended. Always test for leaks before reactivating the system. 4. How do I know when a hose needs replacement? Signs include cracking, abrasion, leakage, reduced system performance, and swelling. A visual inspection and pressure test can confirm the need for replacement. 5. Where can I buy original hydraulic hoses in Nigeria? Trusted suppliers include GZ Industrial Supplies, Epoxy Oil Serve, and Tickweld Services, offering top brands and reliable after-sales support. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.